Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.7 question number 1. Find 0.4 divided by 2. Question 1 is 0.4 divided by 2. Let us find number 1 is 0.4 divided by 2. We can write it here as 0.4 can be changed into fraction, that is 4 by 10, 4 by 10 divided by 2. 2, there is nothing, means there is 1 also, right? Therefore write 4 by 10 multiply the reciprocal of 2 by 1 means 1 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. That comes to 2 into 1 is 2 and 10 into 1 is 10. 2 by 10. If we divide 2 by 10, we will get, or you can here also say that this point is here. Divided 10 means the point will be shifted towards left one side 1 here. That is 0.2. That is 0.2 is the answer. Now question number 2 is 0.35 divided by 5 divided by 5. That means you can write here, change this decimal into fraction, that is 35 by 100 divided by 5. 5 means you can write 5 by 1, or you can write here as 35 by 100 multiply the reciprocal of 5, that is 1 by 5, or you can cut it, 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35. Therefore we are getting 7 into 1, that is 7 1 is 7, and 100 into 1, that is 100. Now point is here, you have to shift the point 2 decimal on the left side, 1 2, that is 0.07. Now question number 3 is 2.48 divided by 4. It can be written as 248 by 100 divided by 4. It can be written as 4 by 1. That is equal to 248 by 100 divide, that means multiply, and reciprocal of 4 by 1 is 1 by 4, right? Now 4 1 is 4, 4 6 is 24, and 4 2 is 8. That comes to 62 into 1, that is 62, and 100 into 1, that is 100. Now if you divide 62 by 100, here the point is at the end, that is 2. You have to move 2 steps on the left side, that is 1 2, that is, it comes to 0.62, right? Now question number 4 is 65.4 5.4 divided by 6. Therefore we can write it as 654 by 10 divided by 6. Or you can write it as 6 by 1. So you can write it as 654 divided by 10 into a reciprocal of 6 by 1, that is 1 by 6. Right? I cut it by 6, that is 6 1 just 6. It is also 6 1 just 6. 5 0 6 9 54. That is 109 into 1, that is 109. But 10 into 1 is 10. Here the point is at the end, that is 9. Here the point is right divided by 10, that means the point will be shifted to the left side one step here, that is 10.9. 10.9. Right? Now we'll solve question number 5. Here you see question number 5 is here is here. So question number 5. Question 5 number 5 is given as 651.2 divided by 4. First convert this decimal into fraction. That is 6 5 1 2 by 10 divided by 4, or it can be written as 4 by 1, or you can write it as 6 5 1 2 by 10 into reciprocal of 4 by 1 means 1 by 4. Right? Therefore, we'll divide it by 4. That is 4 1 is 4. You divide it by 4, you are getting, that is 6512 divided by 6512, and divided by 4, we are getting 4 1 is 4, 5 6 2 5 25, 4 6 is 24, 25 minus 24, that is 1, 11, 4 2 is 8, 19 11 3 2, 4 8 is 32, 32. Therefore, we are getting 1628, 1 6 2 8. If we multiply with 1, we are getting 1628, 1 6 2 8. By 10 into 1 is 10. If we divide this number by 10, we will get, a point is here, that means it will shift towards left side one step, that is this point, right? There is 162.8, right? Now question number 6 is, question number 6 is 14.49 divided by 7 is equal to, we change this into fraction, that is 1 4 4 9 by 100 divided by 7 can be written as 7 by 1, or you can write it here as 1 4 4 9 by 100 into a reciprocal of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7, 1 by 7, right? And we divide 1449 by 7, that is 7 1 is 7, here 7 2 is 14, 4 is 0, 7 7 is 49, right? that is we are getting 207 by 100. If we divide 207 by 100, we'll get here, the point is here, you have to shift the point to the left side 2 digit, 1, 2, that is 2.07, 2.07, right? Now question number 7 is, now question number 7 is 3.96 divided by 4, that comes to 396 divided by 100. We change it into fraction, divided by 4, 4 can be written as 4 by 1, or it can be written as 396 6 divided by 100. Multiply the reciprocal of 4 by 1, that is 1 by 4. Now you divide it by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 9 ja 36, 7 8 9 3 36, 4 9 ja 36, that is 99 by 100, 99 by 100. Now if we divide by 99 by 100, that is there are two zeros here, that means you have to shift the digit 2 places on the left side, that is from here 1 2, that is 0.99, 0.99. This is question number 7. Now question number 8 is 5 6 7 8. Question number 8 here you see is 0.80 0.80 divided by 5, that will be equal to 0.80 divided by, we can write it change into fraction, divided by 100. This 0 can be cut, right? Divided by 5 by 1, 5 by 1, or it can be written as 80 by 100 multiply a reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Now if we cut by 5, 5 1 is 5, here also 5 1 is 5, 603 30, 5 6 is 30. This comes to 16 by 100, 16 by 100, right? And the point is here, you are dividing by 100, that means point will be shifted to towards the left side 2 places, 1 2, that is equal to 0.16, 0.16. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.